So there are a few people that I want to call out. But before that, if you have been on the internet in the past 4 to 5 days, there are high chances you have already heard of this news. Probably through one of these top creators. Now, there are two things that I want to clarify before I say what is actually going on wrong here. And this is going to take time. So if you have attention span of a hamster, you can scroll up. Number one, this report, the CNN report, is talking about one specific Telegram group. We do not know how many such groups have existed in the past or are currently existing and are in motion. We have no number of that. But this one group that the report is talking about had 1,000 users. Yes, 1,000, not 62 million. So where is this 62 million men, this number and term coming from? Let me tell you. These users, these 1,000 people from that group were recording the assaults and uploading it to a website. Now, this website probably has lakhs, if not millions, of videos already. This website as a whole has 62 million visits. ऐसा रिपोर्ट में कहीं नहीं लिखा है that it is unique visits. So it can be repetitive visits also. यानी एक ही इंसान बार बार विजिट कर रहा हो वो भी काउंट किया गया है. Another thing, this visit, 62 million visit, can be men, women or kids. We have no record of that in the report. Now that I have said that it was not 62 million men but 1,000 in this report, does this mean that this is any less of a serious matter? No. Am I asking you to be lesser angry? No. In fact, I think that we are not angry enough. But at the same time, it's a request to these creators. If you want to fight against something, please come up with real data. And if you do not have the attention span to actually go through the report, please don't say anything. Just because using misleading terms only for views, specifically when there are lakhs and millions of people blindly following you and trusting whatever you say in your reel for clout, please do not use that power in a misleading manner, causing misleading narratives. That is all I have to say.